Viva La Vida for acoustic. Put the capo on the first fret. Let's get into your rhythm. It's really just 5 chords, one basic rhythm that we're going to switch up a little bit at times, and it's going to be a total of 4 separate sections overall. Okay, so in the chords, let's just review those real quick. It's C, D, G, E minor, and then yes, we've got a B minor in there, and the choruses, so and also another part. So let's go ahead and make sure that you know the B minor, get into it. Let's do the rhythm now. The rhythm is very distinct, and I'm going to show you some cool ways of approaching this to keep it tight. But for now, let's just talk about the rhythm itself. It's down, 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 up, 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 down, down. One more time. Down, 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 up, 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 down, down. That's right. So that's a lot. Get that first, and then know that there's a couple ways that you can attack that. Whenever it comes to the intro, interlude, and verse, it's essentially what you just saw me play. I'll do it one more time. So you're seeing me doing a little something tricky there. I know it's a little tighter than that in the rhythm. I understand. All right, this is for acoustic. It's a little bit more of the easier, relaxed version. There's a couple options that you have that is not a bar chord. Okay, we're not going to even go there. That would be the ultimate way to keep it really tight, because you have full control. So we're going to do that with a little bit less control, but making it way easier. I'm essentially kind of pinching those strings on every time I strike it. So some strings are still open. I hear that too, right? And that's okay. We're playing for our friends. It's a barbecue. We're having some wine, whatever. That's the idea of this, at least. So it's down, 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 up, 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 down, down. Yeah, you saw that, right? So we're going to split that up a little bit. Down, 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 up, 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 down, down. And I'm just giving it a little pinch whenever I'm playing, okay? As much as you can in the intro and verses. The next is going to be G to the E minor. Down, 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 up, 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 down, down. Yes, so there's that changeover. It's jumping the beat every other time. Okay, so one more time. And you can see me kind of pinching that a little bit as well, so that'll also give me that muting effect. And that overall is how you play it. If you want to tighten that up even more, you can get your right hand involved, what you saw me doing in the intro, and kind of karate chopping that. It's a lot more work, it's a lot more exhausting, but it tightens it up and keeps the open chords. So that would be this. Overall, every time I'm doing at least a down strum, I'm coming right back here. That's a lot of work, a lot of practice. You don't have to do it. It sounds fine without it. But if you want to really tighten it up and still avoid bar chords, that's the way. Again, karate chop. Okay, the next section is your chorus. The chorus is essentially always the same every time. Let me go and give you the demonstration of what it's going to look like. So essentially I'm just opening it up more and take liberties with this. This is acoustic, this is up to you, but you can go full on to really create that dynamic, or you can tighten it up a little bit in the beginning and loosen as you go. That's a little bit of your choice, kind of how I do it. I'm just opening things up overall. That's totally up to you. So it's C, D, G, E minor 3 times. So nothing changes with the exception of opening up our rhythm. And that last bit, we're going to go C, D, B minor. That's over When I Rule the World, right? Every time you sing that line, when I rule the world, to E minor. Hopefully I didn't get flagged for copyright, but that on the very end is the trickier part because the bar chord comes in. So that last line is that's your choruses, you guys. Enjoy, open it up as much as you want, tighten up as much as you want, have some fun. Take creative liberties. The next section is actually the trickiest section, and that is the bridge. Here it is. Back into it. So more or less that bridge is just C to E minor 3 times. One more time. And then you hang on to D for a couple measures. And it kind of gets into a little bit of an interlude there, which I think technically we covered. Cool, and then the last bit, the outro, is a bit different. It's a little of a kind of an oddity in that you just kind of slow things down. You gotta be a strong vocalist to really pull this off, so you can always skip this if you're not. But essentially it's just C to D, B minor, to E minor. Lots of boos, right? C, D, B minor, ending on that E minor. And you can always give that some rhythm since you're playing solo acoustic. You can always give that a little bit more length than what you're hearing from this lesson or on the record, but overall you get the idea of how that goes. The tab is officially customized and everything's all in its place, and the rhythms and stuff are all there. I did that all myself. If you got to be on my Patreon to get access to that, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe.